Hey, don't talk to me like that.
Don't talk to me like that, Linda.
Why did he have to talk to me like that?
Don't ever talk to me like that in front of my son.
You never used to talk to me like that before we got that damn dog.
You can't talk to me like that.
I just did.
Hey, you can't talk to me like that.
Oh, no, Carmine?
Am I the expendable candidate?
No, you don't talk to me like that.
This gig sucks.
Don't talk to me like that. I will have you killed.
Don't talk to me like that, Red. I'm so scared. I wish I'd get out of here.
Don't talk to me like that.
Like what?
Like a child.
You shouldn't talk to me like that. You used to pick up my laundry.
People don't usually talk to me like that, okay?
Shut up! Who you think you're talking to, Sherman Club? Man, if you ever talk to me like that again, I'll kill you.
You can't talk to me like that. I studied puppetry in Paris at the Palais. Ah!
Are you gonna let her talk to me like that? Say something.
Thank you.
You didn't even fight to keep Mom.
Hey, I am your father, little man. Don't talk to me like that. There is nothing on this earth I wouldn't do for you or your mother. You understand?
Damn it, girls, listen to your mother.
You can't talk to me like that. You're not my dad.
Exactly. So I don't give a crap if you live or die.
You are such an asshole. What is the matter with you? Go to hell.
Don't you talk to me like that!
You're the cheeky little cunt, aren't you? There's not a man alive who'd talk to me like that. Not anymore.